All right, folks, we got a little bit of a treat today. We're going to be putting in a new blower motor in my 2018 Dodge Ram 1500. All right, if you're not familiar, this is what a bad blower motor sounds like. Not the beeping, of course. You hear that? You hear that squeal? All right, so got a little bit of a squeal here. Now, when it comes to blower motors, or when your AC or heat is not working, you have two things that could be bad: the wiring, the connector, or the blower motor. All right, now, obviously, since it is working, it's just noisy. I don't think the connector is bad. I think it's probably a bearing on the blower motor. All right, that makes the most sense. So we're going to replace the blower motor in this Ram 1500. Okay, so this is a blower motor inside this box. Now, they vary in price quite a bit. All right, now, I'm not a big proponent of Amazon parts, but when it comes to a blower motor, I think you'll be just fine with a Amazon blower motor. All right, obviously when it comes to internal engine components, so they got this thing taped all over the place here. Like fuel injectors or spark plugs. I would not use Amazon. Okay, common sense kind of takes over a little bit. All right, so, and this was a great price, because if you go OEM with something like this, you're going to spend a lot of money. Okay, I want to say this was around $50 on Amazon. And again, I mean, if it lasts for a year or two, hopefully it lasts a lot longer than that. But again, if you have to buy another one, you're still ahead if you're buying an OEM blower motor. But hey, I do recommend going OEM. So if you got the money, or it's new, this car is old. So I mean, I'm not going that crazy here. All right, so with this, it's pretty simple. I mean, you're gonna need, I believe, an 8mm socket or a Torx bit to take the old one out. We're gonna have to get under here and take these, I think there's 3 or 4 of these. 1, 2, these plastic rivets, kind of like the ones that are under your hood for your engine. These are a little bit different because they're not a double rivet. It's just one. You take it out and you put it right back in. All right, but hopefully I'll be able to get the camera under here so you can see this goodness. All right, so let's see what we can do here with this little tool. If we can get it under there. Yeah, we got her. There we go. There we go. There's one. There, another one over here. This one gets under there real nice. There's 2. There's 3. All right, so this comes down, as you can see. All right, so this comes down. When you take the third one out, you can leave these in there. And you just snap them back in. All right, right here is your blower motor. All right, that's what we're replacing. And with this one, it don't look like I got an 8mm bolt on there, and it looks like it is just a regular Phillips. Oh, that's very nice. All right, let me get my Phillips. Actually, it is an 8mm bolt on there. Just go a little bit closer, and I doubt you can see that because it's probably blurry. But that is an 8mm fastener. All right, so with an 8mm, you're gonna remove these 3 screws. There's one. There's 2. Get it out of the way. Got her. Alright, now you just gotta. Okay, so this is the new one, this is the old one. Pretty similar, like I said, this one is, I mean, a little bit heavier, but nothing crazy. Alright, the Stenzo blower motor is probably 250 bucks. Alright, compared to 50, but again, if we got to replace this once or twice, you're still going to be under what one of these costs. But yeah, like I said, I don't recommend Amazon parts at all. But if you're going to use them for a blower motor where, you know, it's not life and death, all right, it's not, you know, rotors or, you know, calipers or something that can fail and cause catastrophic damage. All right, so it's really, that's it, folks. And we're going to slide this sucker in. And I'm going to try to get that for you. Slap on the connector. Bolt her down. And put this little, you know, cutout back in. And you got nice, cool, silent AC and heat again. Alright. Try to start this by hand here. It's not too hard. You know what? I'm gonna go for it, dude. So there she is, now plugged in. All right, we're all good. But we got to see how the car runs. And you guys who've been following me a while, you remember these Makita sockets, $9.99. I mean, they always come through. I mean, I searched everywhere for a 3/8 8mm. I mean, 200-piece Cobalt Mechanics tool set, Husky. No, they don't have one. They don't have one. But this little 10-piece impact ready, she always comes through, man. Always. All right. Real quick, like I said, with the shield, it is so simple. You're just matching up the 3 holes and pushing the tab back in, or the rivet whatever you guys want to call it, and the shield will securely go back in place. All right, but for the main part, let's see. I also want to say, guys, these things, I mean, I know it's just a pry tool for those plastic tabs, but I use this thing all the time as like a pry bar. Awesome. Everyone should have one of these. You'll use it a lot more than, on these stupid rivets. I mean, nice little tool to have for your ensemble. All right, so let's hear how the new blower motor sounds. Okay. Wow, what a difference. Like I said, guys, with certain parts, like I said, internal components or engine related type Amazon parts, you really want to stay away from them. But stuff like blower motors, whatever, things that aren't going to possibly hurt you or others. I'm not saying all the Amazon stuff is bad, but as a rule, I would kind of stay away from it. But this blower motor works awesome. Okay, I mean, this is on. Okay, and that's the thing. It's still loud, but there's no squeal. Right? The squeal is what was irritating and annoying, and had to be fixed. So you don't have to spend $200 to $250 on an OEM Denso blower motor. This one, I looked right before I started this, it's $44. All right, now there's some that are more, closer to 75, even up to 100. And again, you can go down to your Napa Auto and you tell them your car, again, this is on a Ram, so you're going to tell them it's a Ram 1500. And O'Reilly's, Napa, AutoZone, they'll all have kind of a different brand of a blower motor, but I'm sure it'll work fine. And again, if it's a newer truck that might have just left warranty, and you still want to, treat her right, man, you can get the Denso, right? Get the OEM part if that makes you feel better. And it is the best part for this car. But if you don't want to break the bank, there's other blower motors out there that'll work fairly good. All right. I mean, this is awesome. And I never jack up my AC. This is like the highest that my AC will ever be, is right here. And this is where the squeal was the worst. Actually, the lower, I don't want to say the lower, around the midpoint, that's where it was really bad. So like right here and right here, you heard that sharp squeal, right? Now I don't have to deal with it. Nice cold AC on this 94. We went from 40 degrees to 94 degrees in a 3-day period. So that's life in the world in 2026. But enough chit chat. Enjoy the rest of your day.